Today, as you all know, that we have debate competition between two group students. This is group A team, this is group B team, and the topic of discussion is natural intelligence and artificial intelligence. So this group is going to talk about natural intelligence, its benefits, and this group is going to talk about artificial intelligence and its benefits. So let's see who performs well. Without any delay, we would like to start the debate, and best of luck both the teams.
So natural intelligence is a thing which comes from experience, knowledge, and past experience. So natural intelligence have lots of benefits, like they invent lots of things in our lives which our life benefited throughout the decades and in your life.
Assalamualaikum, I am Khan Abdullah. I am a favor of artificial intelligence. Natural intelligence make mistakes, but artificial intelligence don't make mistakes.
I would like to counter your point, because we see many times AI make lots of mistakes. Like when you search about some topics about politics, they even don't answer, and also in many times they divert you many locations where you want to reach. So AI is a machine, and machine also makes mistakes. Human makes mistakes, but human learn from it and learn, and they don't repeat the mistakes, but AI repeat that until the human correct their mistakes in their algorithms.
As we have seen that human made the AI because of their benefits, then how can it be possible that AI correct their mistakes their own? We said that the AI is the mimic of human, not the full copy paste of human. Mimic, it means that approximately 70 to 80% same, not 100%. And we are saying that AI do mistakes but less mistakes, but human do more mistakes.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Khan Madiha, the student of SS English Academy. So first of all, I am very thankful to Sam sir who gave me this pleasure opportunity to share my opinion against artificial intelligence. So today I stand in the favor of natural intelligence. Natural intelligence is smart, more than smart than the AI. Because we have creativity, we can write our own thoughts, quotes, make jokes, paint paintings and all. But artificial intelligence just copies what it has learned. It depends on just programming. And another big reason is that we have emotions. We feel happiness, sadness and all. But it just depend, it cannot feel emotions. It just release fake emotions.
This is Momin Ramsha. So, as you are talking about emotions, yes, I'm sure with it that AI is a machine, and machine has is emotionless. And you are talking about emotions, so according to me, it doesn't understand, it doesn't have emotions, but it understands emotions of humans, and that's enough, because it is a machine, it can never have emotion.
How? It just analyze emojis and all. And give you
See, whenever you are sad or something happened to you, so it gives you the reels and videos
Because,
as according to your emotions.
Because it runs on human prompt, not emotions. So we just write what we want. So how it runs on emotions? You say that.
I have a live example of my mother. My mother want to buy something. At that time, she didn't search it on Google or Instagram and so on. But she getting ads of that particular product.
He somewhere search something. That algorithms tell.
I was right there, and she didn't search. She didn't search. I have another example too. I have another example.
We don't
I have another
hear
example
we don't
too.
hear to see your assumptions, which you said that it is not.
I have another example too. This is my example. I was scrolling a reels, but suddenly I want a craving to eat pani puri. Then suddenly pani puri reels are appear on the screen. Why it is?
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Padhan Shehbaz. Why do people trust AI? Because AI accurate work in 24 hours and 7 days. Why do trust?
24 into 7.
I am not trust.
Actually, Pathan Shehbaz is saying that why do we trust on AI? Because it is available 24 into 7. And whenever you are free, whenever you want to ask, even at night 3 a.m., 4 a.m., you can ask question, AI will be available for you. But natural intelligence, like if you want to ask question to your teachers or someone, right? So they are not available 24 into 7, he wants to say.
If light is not available in your home, so that time you arrange this thing. So how that time you use natural intelligence.
We use battery.
Huh?
Mobile phone.
Battery also charges from
So there is data is available at in your phone at that time if there is no light. But I can say at that time if data is not available, then you can use your natural intelligence because everyone has listen me first, because everyone has a basic knowledge. If you are complicated, if you facing some problems, then at that time you use AI.
We have to ask our mothers. We have our parents. We should have to ask our parents.
If there is no one around you at the midnight or late night, if there is no your teacher, no parents, no friends, no books, then how
you are
will
absolutely
solve your
right.
problem?
You are absolutely right. In that circumstances, you have to use natural intelligence. There are lots of times because too much dependency on technology is very dangerous in any country, in any place, or wherever you live. So you have to use your natural intelligence in many times to survive in this particular world.
In May 2023, a total of 3,900 job losses in the United States were directly attributed to AI, according for 5% of all job losses during that month. So what do you want to say about that?
At that time, approximately 7 billion jobs or losses, but 9.5 billion jobs were created. Data managing, AI analysis.
So there are a lot of job as you can see. There are a freelancer which can create by the AI images and more on. And second one is data analytic, AI, machine learning, deep.
When you talk about when you talk about freelancer get the job from a company who wants to do anything which they cannot do. If AI do all the activity which freelancer do, so why they give their work to freelancers? So freelancer job is over. There are millions of jobs in every category. You see graphics designer, manufacturing industry, service industry, and every industry. We see lots of downs. Lots of people lost their jobs because of AI.
Because
This time,
Good evening everyone, my name is Ansari Kulsum. AI depend on data gave to them, but human use their own brain.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ansari Al-Tamash. Today I am also supporting artificial intelligence. In my opinion, artificial intelligence can process data very quickly. It can complete complex calculation and analysis in second, while human take more time for this task.
Hello, I want to add some more points in this. Sometimes humans are not well they are tied to working they are tied to working continuously, but AI is not tied. AI continuously work and active every time, 24/7.
AI translate language instantly.
Sometimes.
But human takes time, and it works. AI work in dangerous places like deep oceans and space, and AI can analyze a large number of data, but man cannot.
I am Khan Mohammad Yusuf, and you are saying AI is most important, and there are so many uses of AI. So, which type of companies and industries are using AI? Types, not names.
Amazon, Flipkart, Meesho, this type of companies using AI to promote sales.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Duru Safaraz, and I am team with National Intelligence. If we have to go somewhere and we use our National Intelligence, so by using our National Intelligence, we go by shortcut, and AI give our long cut to go where we have to go that place.
If we search on it that we want traffic free roads, so it will provide us.
But sometimes AI could not give us right place.
If you are saying that, I have an example. If you are searching for the Lifeline Hospital in Bhiwandi, there are 3 options, but you don't know the full name of that hospital, then it should be your mistake that you don't choose the right option.
No, we are on the way, but AI give a wrong way. My personally experience.
You experience, I agreed you, but in cases of 100, 2 to 3 people. 2 to 3 people. But when you are asking when you are just running your natural intelligence at that time, you don't know what is the way. Then it have a larger chance to forget some places that.
I am a student of SS English Academy, and I am favor of NI. One of the question, can AI solve my day-to-day general problems?
Fahad, as you said, AI can solve the general problems in your day-to-day life. So I can say that you have a basic knowledge, natural intelligence, so you can use the natural intelligence. If you don't have this sum of basic knowledge, then you use AI.
Afrin Parvez Ansari. AI is faster than human, we accepted, but the inventor of AI is natural intelligence, human, who invented them. So there is no question about arguing this, na? The data which is stored is installed by human intelligence. We are accepting that AI is more faster than human, but the data which is stored inside the AI, the machines, so the inventor of AI is human only, na? So do you have some answer on this?
Yes, I have answer. So that's why ma'am said the data of in the form of AI. So humans and we are the generation is rapidly growing. So that's why we can't store all the data in the form of books. All the data in the form of books. That's why we are using AI.
No.
Because AI has a more storage.
No, the storage is already stored. It is by human intelligence. So they just negotiate. They just go interactions with this, which is data. It is stored. AI is smarter than, but humans are more smarter than it, because.
So there is a AI. Humans sometimes forget Humans sometimes forget past things.
Forget,
so
but
that's why.
they can think. They can regenerate it.
No, that's not necessary. Then
No, it
each
is
and every
necessary,
human generate.
necessary.
Each and every human generate. Each and every human
They
having.
can feel, but they can feel the emotion by recognizing the facial expressions, language pattern, and tone of voice. But though actually it doesn't actually feels emotion. It can recognize by the expressions. No, it cannot feel inside from it. Human can feel inside, think, rethink, and cute can do anything.
Humans can kill, take someone's life, but artificial intelligence cannot take someone's life.
AI does not don't kill anyone, but AI forced to commit suicide. Yes, I have an example. Can you? I give you the example. You want?
Yes, I want.
Yes. Take an example of. Take an example of Florida. Florida. Take an example of the Florida, who is the 14 years child, USA teen, who fall in love with the AI chatbot, and that time he shoot himself.
He was a 14-year boy. That's
Yes.
right. You are said. I want to pointing out. You said that shooting.
Shoot.
Yes. Then gun will. How can it possible that the only average home have a gun?
Assalamualaikum. My name is Ansari Fatma. My topic name is natural intelligence. Humans have feeling, emotions and common sense, while AI follows instructions. People learn from experience, while AI learns from data.
So that there are the data which can store in AI. If you have like a human have a lot of knowledge about that, so AI boost and enhance their your you can do something about your project. So AI enhance that things. You think if you are making a one book, like you take a month, 3 months, but AI can do in a second. So
When you said AI is smarter than human, so why do you come here to learn English from Science sir? You should learn from AI, na?
Hello. He's saying that if you want to learn English, so AI is the best platform which can help you to learn English. So why are you coming and getting a course on English speaking like you are learning from a teacher? She's saying that, right? So AI can help you to improve your language, but as we all know that there is a big difference between online teaching and offline teaching. In offline you have physical interaction, and physical interaction is very important to understand the concept. If you go to online, then that person, that particular technology can give you answer, but maybe you will not be satisfied and maybe you will not be able to clear your doubt completely. But in offline you can clear your doubt completely with the help of teacher.
But we are coming here because we want to learn it practically, because AI can just teach us grammar and correct our mistakes and give us some knowledge about English, but it can't build our confidence and it can't motivate us. It can't do all these things. Just because for all these things we are coming here, we can learn it from AI, but it will not build our confidence and that.
I am Rehana Sheikh, and I am not agreed with Adnan, because before some days I am online student from SS Academy. So because before some days sir gave a speech topic, and topic was famous 3 college and 3 school. So when I using AI, I write a speech on school and college. So 3 school name gave AI. I saw first school. So I learned. Then I saw second school. School name was changed. Content was same. School name changed, but content same. So finally, I used my NI, natural intelligence, and I speech very well. Sir told you speech very well. So and finally, I using my NI.
You using your NI. Let me complete it. So if you have you know about that in Bhiwandi there are a lot of school, you know about that Raisa school, and so many schools are famous that you can put on the chat GPT that types of, and give me some give that some about that school, and chat GPT can enhance and boost that speech. Your speech can enhance, so that yes, of course he is a built with the algorithm, and he's as you know software engineers are doing a lot of efforts on AI, so that algorithm enhance your speech, and on is also making a speech day by day in Friday.
In earlier days, there was no AI. Then,
in earlier, it is right now we are living that.
But I have one point. If you have no money, you not using AI. But if you have money or not, whatever, you can easily use NI. In every situation, you can easily use NI.
Yes, sure.
God has gifted to brain, so use it. Why are you running behind AI?
That is good. That is good. If you have NI, like you have a lot of things, you can boost yourself without AI. But if you are attached with AI, then you can rapidly fire in this generation. You know that.
I have one example that you said we can write from chat GPT and we get all that. So I have one example of Waqas Bhai. When Waqas Bhai giving speech, then he said one hard word. So sir deduct him marks. So sir asked that definition, what is meaning of that? So Waqas Bhai said, I don't know. But I say, he don't know, but he say.
That is the problem of that is the problem of NI. That is the problem of NI, not.
That is the problem of NI. That is the problem of NI. That was his fault that he didn't. It was.
But she is saying that when it is true incident, it happened last Friday. So he gave a very good speech. There were so many advanced English words. When I asked him the meaning of one particular word, so he was not able to answer. So as you are saying that it is the fault of NI. So if there would not be AI, definitely he would have used his NI. So just because he had the technology, that's why he did not consider his natural intelligence importance and he used technology. If there would be no option, definitely you will use your natural intelligence. They want to say that.
Sir, we agreed to your point, but I have a live example on this. I have already make a speech on AI to just taking an idea, not taking a content, to just taking an idea.
I would like to add some point. Since 2022, you guys are saying that AI is come, make lots of work efficiency, ye wo. So the employment rate should be get higher. Why are they increasing? Because of AI. Huh?
Yes, they are.
Who says?
increasing.
In India. In India.
You says.
Who says? I said that by using AI since 2022, but employment rate are reduced so much because of efficiency. They say the efficiency, so the work is all on the boys, the students get more knowledgeable, but they don't placed in any work.
Yes, I agree to your point.
In IIT, IIM, the percentage of placement are reducing day by day. So what are...
Yes, I agree to your point. Why they are reducing is the biggest factor is salary, because they don't have a sufficient salary in employmentship. That's why they are creating their own business and being a video creator, content creator by the AI.
AI can detect cyber crime and cyber threats faster than human experts.
Hack your photo hack your mobile phone account with the help of AI. Cyber security catch the thief and hacker with the help of AI. Means is that the AI give you the lock and also key. Means is that the AI this thing let me complete. This thing show that if AI is not launched in this century, so maybe possible the cyber crime is not available in this century.
Yes, it is possible. I will agree to your point. If there is no mobile phone, there is no network, then how can it be possible that cyber security?
So how cyber security is in present? If there is no AI, there is no phone, there is no cyber security.
You
means
said cyber is based on network, phone, and artificial intelligence. Then if not artificial intelligence are existent, then why the cyber crime, cyber security will able to access?
If you have confusion, so you question to the AI and AI give list to you, so you read the list to clear your confusion.
Of course, you
Yes,
give.
short confusion. So you read the.
You can give that types of prompt solve your question that he can do easily to solve your problem.
Madam say, why are you going to school and college? Because I am human, I am not AI.
so she wants to say that she wants to say that when you get all the knowledge which you want in AI, so why are you go to school for learning? She said that, not what you...
Elon Musk said that AI is far more dangerous than nukes. So what about what do you want to
Yes,
say?
it is dangerous, but it depends upon human that how we use it. We should use it wisely. If we know that it is dangerous, then after knowing it is dangerous, until we are using it in that much way, we are too much independent on this, definitely it will damage us, it will hurt us.
There are lots of cases, the who inventors of AI, Sam Altman and lots of, due to they use without permission of some authors and lots of people, without using taking permission, they use their books to as a reference of AI, to build AI. So they use natural intelligence to build artificial intelligence. And
Yes, artificial. Do you know mean by artificial, which is made by human?
they have lawsuits. They lawsuits that they are using their books in their AI, So नहीं हुआ है ना सर, कहाँ हुआ है?
Human can survive without AI, but AI cannot survive without human.
Yes, we are agreeing to your point that AI can't survive without humans because it is made for human. It is made for human.
AI is a tool created by humans, not a replacement for human intelligence. The adaptability, creativity, and emotional depth of an AI will always be fundamental to progress. AI may process data faster, but it lacks true understanding between people.
but humans sometimes take a wrong decision. Like they are take a like decision like alcohol and smoking, but AI doesn't provide alcohol and smoking. They are AI is provide knowledge.
We are nothing without each other, so we are accepting we can be work in interaction between us. So that's it.
Of course, without AI, you cannot.
Without AI, human can't work right now. But in the previous day, it was working.
Yeah.
But ahead, they both are in partnership. It will be okay. But without human, AI can't work. That's the point.
That's the point. And you also.
At the last, human can't survive. Human can survive without AI, but AI can't. But we are accepting they are beneficial for both. So both can interact with each other. It will be better for future.
In conclusion, I would like to say that I am sure with it that AI, as he is saying that AI you cannot use in jobs, okay, but where we know that we can't use it, so we have to use our natural intelligence. And in this era of high technology and everything, in this tough times, we have to use it as much we need, not too much. We don't have to depend on this, but we agree with this that AI is much smarter and faster than human beings, and we are just using it to be unique and to make our ideas much better than we can think, and we can use it to enhance our knowledge, whatever abilities. Thank you so much.
Okay, after approximately 1 hour 45 minutes of discussion, there are certain points which I would like to highlight from both the team. AI, you spoke some very good points, but there was some correction. You cannot say that more is smarter. It is smarter. Smarter is already second degree of adjective, so you can't use more. Then did you able to? So this is incorrect. Were you able to? You had to say. And if I talk about NI, so they also had some mistake. I have already told you the correct pronunciation of DATA is data, not data. Still you are saying data. It's not data. It's data. Then there was some grammar mistake, and you also committed, as you said, radium. It was radiation. So both the groups did well, but in one group, one person was continuously speaking, and because of this, I have deducted the marks. Right? So I am going to announce directly winner's name, but before that, I would like to put my point of view about AI or NI. I believe that without NI, AI is incomplete, or without AI, NI is incomplete. Right? AI needs NI needs AI. If you talk about 21st century, so we need technology, and with the help of technology, we can make a lot of our work easy, and we can do a lot of our work in just couple of seconds. But on the other hand, technology is growing very rapidly. As Elon Musk said that we should use AI, but the way it is increasing, it is very rapid. So we should have a break on it, right? So AI has so many advantages, but on the other hand, so many disadvantages also. But you might have seen one thing, that whenever we get any new technology, people take more disadvantage than advantage, actually, right? But we must use it wisely, and if we are using technology, so it is important for us to use it in a right way. Now let's announce winner team name, and this time I have a clear winner. Who is the winner? And the winner is AI. Who will be the winner? Who will be the winner? I am asking you people, who will be the winner? NI, you also performed well, but still I want to ask you who will be the winner. Definitely you will take your name. So the winner is NI and AI. It was a very great discussion, and the winner team is NI and AI. Both the teams did well, but just because of 19-20 difference, there is a winner, and the winner is AI means artificial intelligence, and NI means natural intelligence and human intelligence, and the winner is आप NI क्यों बोल रहे हो? And the winner is not AI, NI. अरे